So this problem is pretty similar to one-step problems number 5. Let's say you have 1,500 joules of energy added to 1,800 grams of boiling water. What mass will boil off? So with any thermochem problem like this, we should start with a temperature time graph. Temp, time. It's good to remember that water boils at 100 degrees. And I should say in Celsius. Degrees Celsius. And if it's boiling off this entire time, then over time, it's just going to be constant while it's boiling. So if I go back to my flow chart, I've made my temperature time graph. Is the temperature changing? Absolutely not. So I'm going to use Q equals MC. Now, I want to know, what constant am I going to use? Well, I've got two choices for problems like this. I could use 334 joules per gram or 2260 joules per gram. I asked the question, is it freezing or melting? No. So it's got to be evaporating, condensing, or boiling. Look at that. So we're going to use 2260 joules per gram. Q equals M times 2260 joules per gram. Well, we're looking for this, and we know this too. We know that we have 1,500 joules. That's going to be the energy. Equals M times 2260 joules per gram. Well, I want to solve for this, so I'm going to divide both sides by the same thing. So 2260 joules, grams. I'm going to actually cancel out the joules, and I will get 1,500 divided by 2260, and I'm left with a mass of 0.664 grams. So there's a lot left over, but if I put in 1,500 joules, I will get this much of it that is boiled off.